Welcome back. Today we are going to explore an interesting pose, Marjariasana or cat pose. This pose is all about exploring your inner feline, embracing the agility with grace. So let's break down. Marjari in Sanskrit means cat and asana means pose. This pose physically helps in the spinal flexibility and mobility. The curving movement gives that much needed spinal stretch. But mentally and emotionally, the flowing movement uses the strength and inner peace to go with the flow of uncertainties of life and bring ourselves to the present moment and enjoy the life. This is not just a simple pose. It has lots of mental and emotional importance that makes it very, very important. Now let's see how to do this pose without any mistakes. From the sitting position, slowly come to tabletop position with your wrists directly under the shoulders. Spread your knees apart. As you inhale, slowly arch your back towards the ceiling. As you exhale, slowly round your shoulders, your chin towards your chest. Continue to flow between these two positions, synchronizing your breath with the movement of your spine. Inhale as you arch into the extension. Exhale as you round into the flexion. Slowly release. Come back to sitting position and relax. Now let's see some common mistakes that can happen in Marjariasana. First thing, on the shoulders. So now, as you can see, when the rest position is not aligned with the shoulder, it can cause the shoulder to slouch, making the movement very difficult. Now for the correct pose, you have to place your wrist exactly under your shoulders and keep your neck very fluid along with the movement. As you inhale, your neck should flow along with the movement without any stiffness. Just like following a butterfly with your gaze. Now make sure that you are not holding your breath. The breathing should be very natural and should flow with the moment.